Today we're going to have a look at the new YAESU Fox Tango Alpha 850L. It's an airband transceiver. It has a colour screen, a high capacity lithium ion battery. It has a GPS receiver. It is also capable of VOR, ILS, both localizer and glide slope. It has 6 watts of output power now, 400 memory channels, and it also includes Bluetooth. Let's see what's inside the box. So inside we have the operating manual, the airband antenna with a BNC connector. The radio itself has a BNC connector at the top where the antenna clips on. It also comes with a belt clip at the back, and it has a choice of 2 batteries. The lithium ion battery pack, which clips in like so. It also has a dry cell battery case that takes 6 AA batteries. It has a headset adapter for GA headsets, has the standard microphone and headset connector, and it also has a PTT connector as well. It comes with a DC charger, a micro USB cable for programming, a ferrite core for interference suppression, and a multi-region AC charger for US, the EU, and also the UK. And finally, it comes with a charging cradle. So let's have a closer look at the FTA 850. It has a colour screen, a keypad there with the microphone. On this side it has the power button, the PTT button, the squelch button. On this side we have the connector for the GA headset. We have a connector for the micro USB cable to connect to your PC for programming. We have an external DC jack for powering up the radio if you don't want to use batteries. We have the volume control, the dial control, which is now larger for easier operation. The supplied antenna connects to the top here. It can also be disconnected and has a standard BNC connector for connecting to an external antenna.